So in this video, now I'm going to show you how to edit your image in Android mobile phone. So to edit my image, I'm using the Snapseed. You can see the Snapseed. I have taken this image from my camera, rear camera, 8 MB, and I edited on Snapseed. But the Snapseed that coming from the Google, and it is very beautiful app. There is no ad, no harassment, no disturbance. So how to do it? To do it, first you have to download the Snapseed. This one, Snapseed app. Open Snapseed. To download this app, you can use the Google Play. Just type on the Snapseed, this one, and click on here, open, go, and now I am this one, this picture. This pictures style. Okay, so now go to the disk tools, go to the tools mode, and just click on the tune image. This tune image. Okay, so at first you increase the brightness. First increase the brightness. This is the basic technique to retouch your image. Then again the saturation, again increase the saturation. Okay, saturation, and then go to ambient. Okay, then go to the highlight mode. It increase the highlight in the white, where the light affect more. Make it more highlight, and then go to the shadow. Make it more shadow, and then again to go to the warm. For the if you turn it on the left side, it warm, negative warm, means the blue. If you go to the right, so it make the more warm, warm positive, to turn into yellow. Okay, so if you satisfy, then click on tick mark button, and then again go to the tool option. You can use the crop, or you can use crop, drama, vintage effect. So if you want to make the vintage effect, so more vintage effect, turn into the more vintage effect, turn it to more vintage effect. So I don't want to make it the more vintage effect, brightness, saturation, so I ignore this tool. Again go to the tool option, and if you want to crop this image, so I don't want to crop this image, so back it again, back again and go to the tools again and vignette effect. That's the more important to vignette effect. Okay, so and if you increase the radius, okay, so if you satisfy, just write just button tick mark, tick on the apply. Now then go to the tool and lens blur. Okay, lens blur. So you can increase the radius, elliptical area with your hands. And increase the blur. You can see without the viewport area. See, just click, just touch on the outside this blue button. Just click on here. If you satisfy, then click on the apply button. Okay, now to export your image, just click on the export, just right side on your right down button, click on the export button, and you can choose the save option and export option, and both are saved as a JPEG format. So export, so I export as JPG format. Preparing, so it takes a few minutes to render all images. Yes, now you can view. So you can view directly, or you can go the gallery. Okay, this is the final image. It's the final image from and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again with a new video with a new Android tips. Bye bye.